Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you what you can do if you've got a cracked glass cooker top. Coming up next. So we're in one of my rental properties and the glass cooker hob top has cracked. Now, I did actually get a quote from the contractor to replace it, and actually it wasn't far off a whole new oven, so I've decided to do it myself. I've ordered the part, which still wasn't cheap. It was £160, but a bit less than a new oven. So we're about to change it. Let's get cracking. So the first thing to do is to isolate the cooker, and you can see the timer's gone off there. And we're going to pull it out, and then we're going to replace it. Let's go. So the top is actually held on with 4 screws. There are 2 at the back and there are actually 2 in front of the panel. I tried to take the panel off, didn't realise that there were 2 at the front, and it was only when I unpacked the new one and had a look at what we were dealing with, I could see, as you can see, there's holes at the front as well. So I then pulled the knobs off and unscrewed the front. There's a couple of screws here, gave it a quick wipe, and that just gave me enough excess just to get those screws out. And then the top came off. However, there's some cables underneath which needed unplugging. Kind of needed 3 hands, but it was not too difficult. And then I hadn't actually bargained for the fact that the heating rings were attached to the top itself, so the next job was then to transfer the heating rings onto the new glass top. And actually lining those up proved to be a bit more tricky than I was expecting, and in fact what I ended up doing was holding the top up to the light to see that they lined up with the circles. Once I got them fitted, I then plugged them back in and just replace the top. It was relatively straightforward. Put those 4 screws in, screw the front on, put the knobs on, and then slide it back. So there you have it. A bit more complicated than I expected, but not too bad. If you enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please do subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you'd like to say thank you, buy me a coffee, much appreciated, it helps the channel out. And I will see you on the next video. Take care.